Hello everyone. Subscribe now if you haven't. Check the links in the description for the best deals on today's featured products. And don't forget to drop a comment about which organizer you like most. Welcome back to the channel, where we solve everyday automotive problems with real solutions. Let me ask you something. How many times have you opened your trunk only to find groceries rolling around, tools scattered everywhere, or emergency supplies buried underneath everything else? It's frustrating, inconvenient, and sometimes even unsafe. Today we're diving into the best car trunk organizers on the market. Products that bring order, space, and style to your trunk while protecting your gear. So stay locked in, because we're counting down from number 5 to number 1, and each of these options has a unique advantage you don't want to miss. Starting at number 5, the Farasla waterproof trunk organizer with insulated leak-proof cooler bag is built to handle more than just everyday storage. It is made with a durable Oxford polyester exterior that withstands wear, dirt, and spills, and its leak-proof cooler compartment is designed with a thick insulated lining that keeps food and beverages either hot or cold. This organizer uses 3 removable dividers to create customizable compartments and includes a pair of sturdy side handles that make carrying it easy. It features reinforced stitching, a non-slip bottom to keep it secure, and several mesh pockets on the side to store smaller items. The collapsible design allows you to fold it flat when not in use, which saves space and makes it ideal for compact or large trunks. The Farasla organizer stands out because it is more than a storage solution. It is perfect for families who take road trips, ride-share drivers, or anyone who needs to maintain perishable goods during travel. Its insulated cooler function transforms your car into a mobile picnic basket, allowing you to keep cold drinks, frozen meals, or even ice for hours. Everyday trunk clutter becomes manageable, and the quality of the fabric gives the product a premium feel. If you want versatility and practicality in a single product, this organizer hits the mark for users who juggle groceries, sports gear, and travel items. The only drawback is that the cooler compartment takes up space even when not in use, but it is still absolutely worth buying for its multi-use functionality. Coming in at number 4, the KNODEL Sturdy Car Trunk Organizer delivers an impressively solid design focused on durability and long-term performance. It is constructed from heavy-duty Oxford polyester fabric with a strong 3-layer board structure that helps maintain shape under heavy weight. The KNODEL organizer comes with removable dividers that allow you to adjust each compartment to match your needs, and it offers spacious storage capacity for tools, groceries, emergency kits, and cleaning supplies. Anti-slip straps ensure the organizer stays firmly in place while driving, and the waterproof material protects against spills or accidental leaks. It also includes multiple exterior pockets to store cables, accessories, or small hardware. What makes this organizer shine is how well it handles rough conditions and heavy-duty use. If you haul mechanical tools, hobby equipment, camping gear, or weekly family supplies, this model handles it without collapsing or bending. Users who drive SUVs, crossovers, or minivans will appreciate the stable frame that stays rigid even when fully loaded. It is ideal for those who do not want to constantly reorganize their trunk, because this product excels at holding form. A minor shortcoming is that it may feel bulky in smaller vehicles, but its durability and large capacity make it an excellent investment. At number 3, the Oasser Trunk Organizer Cargo Organizer brings a premium design that combines aluminum alloy handles with waterproof Oxford fabric. This organizer is designed with 3 spacious compartments supported by rigid sidewalls, and it includes removable subdivider plates that allow further customization. The aluminum handles are padded for a comfortable grip, allowing you to carry the organizer without strain. The base is reinforced with a waterproof material that prevents moisture penetration, and multiple side pockets provide added storage. The Oasser model also features a collapsible design, so it can be adjusted from full size to half size or folded completely flat when needed. The Oasser organizer stands out because it blends practicality with sleek aesthetics and upscale build quality. It is an ideal choice for professionals who frequently transport work materials or anyone who wants a product that looks premium while still being rugged. The sturdy frame and comfortable handles make it very easy to move in and out of the vehicle, which makes it convenient for commuting, deliveries, or weekend trips. Its balance between rigid structure and elegant design makes it a standout choice for people who want both durability and style. The only drawback is that the aluminum handles add extra weight, but the convenience and solid construction make it worth the purchase. Next at number 2 is the TRUNKCRATEPRO XL Premium SUV Truck Car Trunk Organizer, built for organizational power on a large scale. It uses premium-grade Oxford polyester with extra stitching reinforcement to withstand heavy cargo, and it is designed with an expandable system that allows the organizer to grow or shrink depending on storage needs. The TRUNKCRATEPRO includes several removable dividers, numerous mesh and vinyl pockets, and a heavy-duty base that prevents sagging. Its collapsible build lets you go from full size to compact in seconds, while metal hooks and straps secure it tightly to the trunk floor, reducing slide during acceleration or braking. This organizer stands out because it is designed for users who require maximum adaptability and heavy hauling capacity. Whether you're a sports parent juggling gear, a contractor managing tools, or an outdoor enthusiast handling camping supplies, this storage system keeps everything in order and protected. The high-strength materials ensure the product can handle continuous use and demanding conditions, which makes it ideal for trucks, SUVs, and larger vehicles. Its modular layout gives the user full control over how items are arranged, making it one of the most flexible organizers available. The only downside is that its XL capacity may feel oversized for small sedans, but the performance and durability make it well worth owning. Finally, at number 1, the FORTEM Trunk Organizer. For SUV car trunk organizer is a market favorite because of its thoughtful engineering and well-rounded balance of durability, design, and practicality. It features high-strength, 3-layer reinforced panels that help the organizer maintain shape under heavy load, and it includes 3 large compartments with adjustable dividers so you can customize your setup. The FORTEM also includes detachable lids that allow you to cover your items for a cleaner appearance, multiple side pockets, a high-grip anti-slip bottom, and sturdy carrying handles round out its design. The waterproof material provides protection from spills and moisture, and the collapsible design lets it store easily when not in use. It also comes with secured tie-down straps to keep the organizer in place during motion. What makes the FORTEM number 1 is how well it balances features, build quality, and real-world convenience. The detachable lids provide a polished and organized look, which is ideal for users who carry valuables, documents, or groceries they don't want visible in the trunk. It is perfectly suited for commuters, rideshare drivers, and families because it keeps the trunk clean, professional, and easy to maintain. The strong panels and attention to detail ensure long-term durability, making it a reliable companion for everyday life and travel. The only minor downside is that the lids can take time to align when the organizer is fully loaded, but the overall design makes it undeniably worth the buy. Before you click away, remember to subscribe, check the links in the description for the best deals on every organizer shown today, and leave a comment telling us which model impressed you the most. Whether you're taking road trips, managing gear, or just tired of trunk chaos, investing in the right organizer makes a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.